Good morning to Dr. Suhaimi. Before I continue my presentations, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fang Shiyun. So now I want to explain about the Exo command lines interface. Exo command lines interface is a set of commands used to create and manage Exo resource. The Exo CLI is available across the Exo service and is designed to get you working quickly with Exo, with an emphasis on automations. So the bash is like a window command prompt, which is a complete on is totally complete online experience, and because all the bash is all in the browser. So the first is attach a storage account or storage device to the cloud shell to store all the metadata and the certain files. And the second is create the storage anywhere without any namings. And last, we want to log into the bash shells of the cloud shells with batch. So the below is the command exhaust CLI commands. So I use my username as Suyun and also got the password. And I use the resource which is name is my resource group and in the Germany West Central location, which is free for me to use. So for the app service plan is my app service plan, and the app name is my band, and the subscriptions is here. So along the commands, I use the first is a gin clones and the gin configures to show who I am, and also the user name. So this is all the commands CLI that I use, which is dedicated here, which is I show the commands here. If I finish the commands, if I can see that there is a URL for my applications and also the Gin clone URL. Okay, so for the next is Gin is a versions control system used for the tracking changes in computer files. It is generally used for the source code management in software development. This is used to tracking changes in the source code. The distributed versions control tools is used for source code management. It allows multiple developers to work together. It also supports nonlinear development through its thousands of parallel branches. So there are several commands in Gins that I use, which is the first is create the repositories, which is gin int, which I use in which I use in above. And the second one is the make changes. Make changes is the command is add or commit. So we can see I commit a pizza. And then third one is a parallel development, which is a branch. The last which I use is site repositories, which is a push, gin push exomen. So when I click the URL, jump to these pages. This is the pages that I use, the contact, the band, and also the home page. And also I can buy the tickets. So that's all for my presentations. Thank you.